Right, let's go to example 2. Right, I'll show you two ways of doing this. Right, cos 15. We can use special angles here because this is like cos, let's say, let's use 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Okay, cos 15 degrees is just the same as cos 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. So this will be cos 45 degrees cos 30 degrees, then plus sine 45 degrees sine 30 degrees. Now we can simplify this. This is root 2 over 2 times root 3 over 2 plus root 2 over 2 times 1 over 2. Right, what do you get? Root 6, root 2 times root 2, that is root 6. Then 2 times 2, there is 4, plus root 2 over 4. Then this simplifies to root 6 plus root 2 over 4. The other way of doing this, you can say cos 15. Right? If I say 2 times 15, I'll get what? I'll get 30. So I can use the double angle formula and say 2 cos squared 15 degrees minus 1 is equal to cos 2 times 15 degrees. Okay, right, so it becomes 2 cos squared 15 degrees minus 1 is equal to cos 30 degrees. And then we know that cos 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. So 2 cos squared 15 degrees minus 1 is equal to root 3 over 2. Add 1 on both sides of the equation. 2 cos squared 15 degrees is equal to root 3 over 2 plus 1. We can simplify this. This is like 2 over 2. It becomes 2 cos squared 15 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 2 over 2. You can write 1 as 2 over 2 there. Then you get this. Then you can divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. Remember, cos squared 15 degrees is equal to, remember, dividing by 2 is just the same as multiplying by 1 over 2. So you get root 3 plus 2 over 4. That is after dividing by 2. And then now we can square root both sides. And then get that cos 15 degrees is equal to the square root of root 3 plus 2 over 4. You can check using a calculator. This value and this value will give you the same thing, will give you the same answer as a decimal.